Plaza Midwood. It's a great place to live. It is the center of a lot of what Charlotte has to offer in nightlife, breweries, shopping, and just great walkable neighborhood. There are several homes on the market that are 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathroom homes. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm going to take you through one of these listings. If you're looking for a turnkey property in Plaza Midwood, let me know and we can run some numbers for you. Let's take a look at these. They are listed at $425,000. It's not my listing, but it's my friend Karen's listing, and I was super excited when I saw it hit the market because I know that they built these a little bit before COVID, and they are modern and amazing. So let's go take a look. This home is a pretty amazing open floor plan with a big island in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, modern light fixtures, and even a half bath on the first floor. Check out the floor too. It's sealed concrete, easy to clean. Let's check out the backyard. It's fully fenced and it has some trees already in it for shade, and it is going to be a great space for hanging out in your private oasis. Before we head upstairs to check out the bedrooms and bathrooms, I wanted to give you a bird's eye view of this open floor plan. On the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms and they are carpeted, and the bathrooms have LVP in them. There is an ensuite bedroom that has a full bath with a walk-in shower, and then the second bedroom has access to a full bath with a bath. These have lots of closet space, granite countertops in the bathrooms. At $425, these are great deals for the Plaza Midwood area. So if you're interested in viewing one of these single family homes, let me know. Maureen Mahood, broker owner with Sell Your Home Charlotte here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I help people buy and sell real estate in the Charlotte metro. Please like and subscribe my channel and share this with anybody that wants to buy or sell a home. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon, Charlotte.